In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unable to create account error in ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive into the steps to resolve this pesky issue that can pop up when you're trying to create your account on ElevenLabs. Sometimes technology can be a bit finicky, and this error can be annoying. But don't worry, just follow these simple instructions and you'll be good to go. First, let's clear some potential browser-related issues. One effective way to start is by clearing your browser cookies for ElevenLabs. To do this, head over to your browser settings. From there, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. Look for Cookies and Site Data. Find ElevenLabs in the Stored Sites list and delete its data. Once you've done that, try logging back into the platform. This step often resolves many common errors. If clearing your browser cookies doesn't do the trick, the next step is to consider whether you're using a VPN. Sometimes these services can interfere with how websites function, so go ahead and disable any VPN you might be running. After that, give it another try. Now, if you're still facing the issue, let's check the type of email you're using to create your account. ElevenLabs is known to flag accounts that are created using temporary or disposable email addresses. This is common practice to prevent potential misuse of free credits. To avoid this, make sure to register using a reputable email account, such as a standard Gmail address. Once you have a trusted email ready, go ahead and try signing up again. Here's a recap of those steps. Clear your browser cookies, disable any VPN, and use a permanent email address for your account creation. Each step is crucial, so don't skip any of them. Before you attempt these changes, ensure that your internet connection is stable. Sometimes connectivity issues can contribute to errors when trying to access websites. Check that your Wi-Fi is working properly or switch to a wired connection if you're still having trouble. Did that help? If you're still unable to create an account after trying all of these solutions, it might be time to reach out to ElevenLabs support. They can provide assistance specific to your situation. You can usually find their contact information on the ElevenLabs website, typically under a support or help section. The bottom line is, don't get discouraged. Technical issues happen to all of us, and it may take one or multiple efforts before getting it right. Just by following the steps we discussed today, you should be able to tackle that frustrating, unable to create account error with confidence. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks, especially if you're working with ElevenLabs or similar tech platforms. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're able to get that account created and start utilizing all the great features ElevenLabs has to offer.